Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to enable the FPS counter on Steam in just a few steps, okay? So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open our Steam application and log in our account, and after that guys you just have to go to the mm, um, top left corner, and you will see the Apple icon if you are using a MacBook. So beside that guys there is a Steam menu, so just have to tap that one, and of course select the preferences to open the Steam settings, okay? So after this Steam settings is open, you just have to find or look for the in-game option, okay? So this one guys, so just have to click that one and just have to scroll down and look for the overlay performance monitor. So just have to find it. So this one guys, so under this guys we have here a show performance monitor. So this one guys, it says here that it is off, so you just have to click that one and the drop down menu here. So there's a lot of options here, so you just have to select whether top left, top center, top right, or etc guys. So let's say for example we choose this one, and here guys in the lower part you can actually change the text size, the contrast, and also the background opacity of your FPS counter, okay? So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam, okay? Thank you.